kicks out. 16-foot goes down. That's it.
I got to think Delgado 10 feet away can put it on the deck and go by Okora.
Backdoor cut. Bird goes up high. Nice catch and one.
How about Okora?
Bird last night against Princeton, 13 points on 5 of 11 shooting. Seton Hall, their 2 losses. Stanford and Florida. Bird down the lane, using his strength to get to the bucket.
Tell you, 3 defenders unable to deter Powell.
27-23. Guys hitting shots today. Bird, rising fire. Pure. 2:20 to play. First half. Bird steps into a 3.
You got to. They got to buy time for Rab to get back in the game and provide a lift for them. Move him out a little bit. Give a chance to get to the rim or use Delgado. That's Moore's favorite play. Hit, come get it back.
Moore double team. They swing it. Bird, he's been hot and remains hot. Boy, that thing. Pirates.
Got him pinned down.
Bird down the lane, elevates and hits.
Nice. Keno's had a. Didn't lock his guy down on the box. They did a good job. Well, they're not ready.
Seton Hall sleeping. Jabari Bird